One question that often a lot of students ask, and this is something that needs to be addressed right at the very beginning, is which study material should the candidate refer to for preparation of CA exams? If you take a look at the ICAI study material, when it comes to its own core subjects of financial reporting, say accounts, audit, and taxation, so these study material typically cater to each and every need of a candidate, and they are, yes, the best. However, those books obviously are way too bulky, and probably at the very sight of it, any candidate would lose confidence to actually cover up this much of a course. But one thing is for sure, ultimately, see, what is going to fetch you marks is the ICAI study material, right? आप जिस institute की exam दे रहे हो, obviously their books are going to fetch you marks. However, there are a lot of authors who make some really good reference books for these subjects, and in case you opt to choose these books over the ICAI study material, so there are some cross checks, some parameters that you need to be careful about before using these books for your study. So the first thing to check in that is course coverage. Ask your seniors who have probably given the immediate previous attempt. They'll be able to guide you better. The second most important thing is to ensure that you select an author's book which has a lot of practice questions, because that's how you are going to test yourself, right? And as these practice questions, preferably the ones which have already been covered in the ICAI study material, so you need not repeat them again. Again, your seniors can help you to figure this out. The third important thing is to separately mark those questions in the ICAI study material which do not get covered in the book that you are referring to. This is because it has often been noticed in the past that such questions which are a part of the ICAI material but not part of the well-known or the most referred author's books are the favorite questions for the examiner, and they pop up in the examination, right? So these parameters are something that you should check. Now, the most important thing, whichever study material you refer to, whichever author's book you refer to, stick to it till the very end. That book is supposed to be your Bible for that subject. Next thing is to not cross-refer several books from several authors, because there will be a different approach that an author can use, and some other author will refer to a different approach or a different way of solving. At the end of the day, you will be left confused. So stick to any one author. Obviously, the author must be well renowned and their approaches must be well accepted in the ICAI examination. So stick to the book that you've chosen and do not cross-reference. But yes, cross-referencing the study material for the additional questions is must before you go for the exam. So that's your effective study tip number 1. Tips for additional study material will follow in the next video.